Welcome to our gardening journey. Today, we're delving into the world of vegetable gardening, uncovering 10 interesting facts that might just change the way you plan your garden. Let's dive in. Did you know that companion planting can enhance your vegetable garden? Certain plants can help each other grow by providing nutrients, deterring pests, or even improving flavor. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can enhance their flavor and protect them from pests. Timing is everything. Fact number 2 highlights the importance of planting in the right season. Understanding your plant's preferred season ensures optimal growth. Some vegetables thrive in cooler temperatures, while others love the warmth of summer. Soil health is a game changer. Fact 3 emphasizes the significance of nutrient-rich soil. Composting kitchen scraps and adding organic matter can create a thriving environment for your vegetables, leading to healthier plants and better yields. Ever heard of succession planting? It's our 4th fact and a fantastic strategy to maximize your harvest. Instead of planting all your seeds at once, stagger your plantings to enjoy a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. Water wisely. Fact number 5 highlights the importance of proper watering. Overwatering or underwatering can harm your plants. Invest in a drip irrigation system or water early in the day to minimize evaporation and ensure your plants get the hydration they need. Let's talk about biodiversity. Intercropping, our 6th fact, involves planting different crops together to maximize space and discourage pests. Mixing flowers with vegetables not only adds beauty, but also attracts beneficial insects that help control pests. Know your plant friends and foes. Fact 7 emphasizes the importance of understanding which plants work well together and which don't. Some plants can inhibit each other's growth, so plan your garden layout strategically. Embrace vertical gardening. Fact number 8 encourages you to think beyond the ground. Growing vertically not only saves space, but also promotes better air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases and pests. Don't forget the importance of crop rotation. Fact 9 emphasizes the benefits of changing the location of your crops each season. This practice helps prevent soil-borne diseases and ensures that the soil remains nutrient-rich. And finally, fact number 10, embrace experimentation. Gardening is both an art and a science. Don't be afraid to try new things, explore different varieties, and learn from your experiences. Your vegetable garden is your canvas. There you have it, 10 intriguing facts that can revolutionize the way you plan and enjoy your vegetable garden. Remember, each garden is unique, so find what works best for you and enjoy the journey of growing your own delicious homegrown produce. Happy gardening!